Hello and welcome to my channel On Track with Ellie, and today I am at Manchester Piccadilly on the West Coast Main Line. Here is 323-218 Express Midland train, which is very delayed. It just arrived, going on the 12:47 to Manchester Airport. So today you're going to see services by Avanti West Coast, Northern, Transpennine Express, Coast Country, East Midland, Transport Wales, and you should be seeing free flight. So let's see.
Attention please passengers who arrived on the station intending to travel on 1304 Northern service to Manchester Airport. Please be advised that this train has been
if I zoom it in, you should see leaving the 12:55 Avanti service to London Euston, Avanti West Coast.
Passengers travelling to Manchester Airport, please be advised that your tickets are accepted on any available Northern or Transpennine service towards Manchester. 1304 service to Manchester Airport has been cancelled. Passengers from Burnage, Euston, Fieldsbury, please make your way to platform 9, 1336, Northern service to Croydon.
Okay, this train is not leaving. 323-218.
Manchester Airport.
323-212 on the
This
road.
train is currently.
Okay, arriving now is going to be the 12:51 Transpennine service to Manchester Airport, Transpennine Express.
Train now coming to platform 13 to 12:51 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport, calling at Manchester Airport only. Please remain behind the red line and allow passengers to alight the train before boarding.
This one is in Hitachi, interestingly. (802-219).
Platform 14 of the 1302 Northern service to Blackpool North.
Wow.
Calling at Manchester Oxford Road, Deansgate, Salford Crescent, Bolton, Lostock, Orange Parkway, Blackrod,
Let's focus here.
Leyland, Preston, Kirkland West, Bolton the File, Leighton, and Blackpool North. This train is full of 6 coaches. Platform 14 of the 1302 Northern service to Blackpool North.
So this is the 1301 Northern service to Blackpool North, 323-232 and 323-203. There goes a York service ruled by pair 185. I have no clue what the numbers are. Right, 802-219 is going to get ready to go.
If you have, then tell a member of staff or text British Transport Police on 61016 and we'll deal with it. That's 61016. See it, say it, sort it.
Ooh. 39134 is doing the wipers. When did they start to use Hitachis for Manchester Airport? That is very strange. I think I did go to the airport after. Ooh, we got X-Avanti. Let's see what's this. Look at there's major delays at Piccadilly today. Okay, this is an ex-Avanti. It's 221108. My new favorite number. And that's 39134. That's going to be from the 1315 to London Euston. That cross country is late. But anyways, it's an extra Avanti one. But that's running late. That one was supposed to arrive last hour. It was supposed to arrive at 12:25, something 12:28 was supposed to arrive. So look at here, guys. There's some major delays happening in Piccadilly. Ooh, got transport for Wales. Anyways, there's 39134, City of Carlisle. As we meet again in 134, this is going to be from the 1315 to London Euston as the Northern Class 323. It's now leaving 323, 232, and 203.
The train now coming to platform 13, 12:55.
And we've got a 12:55 Transport for Wales service to Manchester Airport. Oh, and there goes 323, 225, working the 1303 to Manchester to Hadfield. Where did I get Manchester Airport from? Right, that's stopping very, very far. So numbers are gonna have to get it when it leaves. Transport for Wales stopped very, very far for some reason. Anyhow, we're gonna get this 331 coming then. So 4 carriage 331 coming in, I want to say from over the edge. And we got another cross country leaving. Is it going to be an ex-Avanti? We're going to see about that. 33104 on this northern. No, it's a normal cross country. It's 220034. That's going on the 1303 to Bristol Temple Meads, leaving 2 minutes late. Wow. Right. Okay. And I getting ready to go now is the Transport for Wales class 197, working the 12:55 Transport for Wales service to Manchester Airport. (197.043). There was a northern class, I think it was 195 that came in. I have no idea what the numbers are. Bear with me, guys, because there's so many delays today, so I'm going to have to do some numbers check.
This is due to a points failure. This train is currently between Sheffield and Hazel Grove.
And now getting ready to go should be the 1306 Northern Service to Crewe, which is that 323 over there, which has this bright light on. To be honest, guys, Piccadilly looks so empty today. Look at that platform. The platform 11 and 12. It looks so empty. But you know, guys, there's major delays. You know what that's going to happen? There's going to be so many trains coming into platform 13 than usual, even. So now coming in is a northern service to Manchester Airport. I think it's a 1300 service. Can't believe I can't believe I. The announcement said it and I literally didn't listen to it. Anyways, this is coming. So Northern Class 1 and 5. 134, you're gonna start to be my favorite Avanti. Oh, we got another Avanti coming in. Another Pendolino. This one is 390 122. Penny to Pendolino. So that's 88010. Aurora, which is the name, that's working a service from Daventry to Trafford Park. That's 195 102, could do with a little bit of a clean. That's on a service to Manchester Airport. Guys, I was so surprised because I was just looking at Penny to Pendolino, and then I seen the 888 was coming, but I wasn't even expecting it to be 88010. So that made it a big surprise. So when I came, it just made me so surprised. And as I was saying, Penny to Pendolino, it just popped up and I said, I'm going to record it. Anyhow, so it's empty again, platform 13, except if the next train comes now. So now, guys, we have two Pendolinos. We have Penny to Pendolino and we have City of Carlisle. Yeah. We got Transpennine.
Transpennine Express.
Anyhow, guys, we're going to have a 197 coming in from Cardiff Central, I want to say. It is a Transport for World Class 197. So, leading the way 197 002. And 197 015 on the rear. Uh, 185 142. I'll see you when it goes. And when other people, when we get all cleared away, I'm gonna move next to it, and then we can hear the Transpennine engine leave. I'll get back to you guys when it leaves. Okay, getaway to Bandai is going to be 185142 with the 1313 Transpennine Express service Cleethorpes. It's going on time. I'm surprised. Okay. Guys, today Piccadilly is being so kind today because normally Piccadilly has improved, let's say, because it have never improved that much before. Right. I'm so glad that Transpennine left before the Avanti, so okay guys, now leaving. Get ready to depart now. It's going to be 39134, City of Carlisle, with the 1315 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston.
Via Birmingham New Street, ordered Stockport, Macclesfield, Stoke-on-Trent, Stafford, Wolverhampton, Birmingham New Street, Birmingham International, Coventry, Leamington Spa, Banbury, Oxford, Reading, Basingstoke, Winchester, Southampton Area Parkway, Southampton Central, and Bournemouth. This train is formed of 5 coaches.
Nice home from the driver.
Is available on the train. Cabin 4 of the 1325 cross-country service to Bournemouth via Birmingham New Street.
Me and you are friends now, 134. I'm going to start to like you as well, 134. City of Carlisle. Hey, zoom out. We'll go 158, 156, 415, leaving.
The train at platform 13, the 1318
39788!
calling at New Green at Manchester Airport. Please allow passengers to board the train before boarding.
My new favourite number! Okay, that's 15133 on the red. That's 39788, my new favourite number, going to Glasgow Central. Hey! There is 331020. That's working the 13 to 1320. Northern service to Manchester Airport. Free carriage Northern. It's from a 51020. Should we add acceleration when it leaves? Yep, I think we should have acceleration when it leaves. 51020. Okay. This is the 1318 Northern service to Manchester Airport. 51020. And that's what I meant, guys. I meant 1318. Not 1320. 331,020. And there goes 195. Where is it? 119, I think. Yep, 195,119. Going on the 1318 to Numo Central. Yep, I think that is Numo Central. So now here we just have 9122 now. And they're going to be working the 1335 service to London Euston. 1 Alpha 45 is the code on this one. Okay guys, we've got Northern Class 156. 156. 409. 406. 406.
Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Street is delayed by approximately 22 minutes. This train is currently at Stockport, Shrewsbury, Church Stretton, Craven Arms, Ludlow, Leominster, Hereford, Abergavenny, Cumbria, Newport, Cardiff Central.
That 397 is still there. 397,008. So guys, there's many delays happening at Piccadilly today, but it might get back to normal. Who knows? Yeah, I'll get back to you when the next train leaves. Okay guys, I'm going to zoom it in. Now leaving is 397,008, my new favourite number, working the 1321 Transpennine Express service to Glasgow Central. And also now leaving is the 1320 Northern Service to Buxton, worked by 150,149. That's on the 1320 Northern Service to Hazelgrove.
What time is here? Is it not 10 to board? That's the next train.
Okay guys, we're going to have a Northern Service coming in. I think it's meant to terminate here, so it's not going to... It's going to drop people off, and then it's meant to terminate here. 31017. .017. Okay, people are going to get off and then this train will be off. I don't know what schedule this Northern's supposed to do. Because I will pause the clip. I'll get back to you when it leaves. Okay guys, this train is getting ready to go now. I think this one is going to be going somewhere, and then after it's going to come back. Doors are not fully shut yet. The second carriage door is still open. This train, that's... Okay, the car's gonna... Okay, now it's ready to go. We've got a Pendolino coming in, but just Northern's over here. Wait. It's gonna get covered. This one is gonna leave now. 39126. Oh, my new favorite number leaving. Oh no. 39126. Good.
Nice to see you.
Yeah.
Got time to shake your hand.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Good.
Are you still enjoying?
Yeah.
Are you happy? That's the main thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
And are you still doing your YouTube video?
Sorry guys, we just got covered by 22. We just got covered by 39126. Covered 22108. Covered my new favorite number, to be precise. Huh? That was the X Avanti one. And you covered it, 39126. But to be honest, guys, I did record it when it came in, so. Okay, 39126. Over here. Okay, we're gonna get back here when this one goes. This one looks like it's hold up now. Okay, we're gonna get back to you when this one leaves, because this one is not doing anything. Okay, we've got a Northern Class 323. Mm-hmm. 323 230. Mm-hmm. Nice wave from the driver, thank you very much. And here we have 156 416. X greater angular. Okay, I don't know what's going on with this train, but I think it should be. Okay. Yeah. I'll get back to you when this one leaves because it's not doing anything. 3310 is 17 anyways on the front. I get the rear when it finally gets to leave. Okay guys, we've got Northern Class 323 coming in. It's an ex-West Midlands Trains.
Have you noticed any unusual behaviour that didn't seem quite right? If you have, then tell a member of staff or text British Transport Police on 61016.
323 241.
That's 61016. See it, say it.
323 241. Transport for Wales leaving. 197015 on the front. One 9722 on the rear, and Transpennine coming.
This train was full of 6 coaches. This train will not be forwarded at Euston, Birmingham, Warrington Central,
Late, this one. Late. This one. 185127 and 185101. That's the late 1307. And 331024 on the rear. And here we have a Northern Class 195, 128. Nameplate was something champion, but I don't know what it was. Okay, now arriving is going to be the 1328 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport.
The train now connects platform 13 to 1328 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport, going at Manchester Airport only. Please remain behind the red line and allow passengers to alight the train before boarding.
This one was meant to be 397AA, but because 397AA went to Glasgow, so this one's a different one.
Please stand back from the platform edge. The next train at platform 13 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs,
397011.
and your belongings.
Yeah. We go cross country, guys. I'll get you the numbers, guys. Let me get you the numbers. It's 2208019 and 220003. Either 019 or 003 or 08 and 003. So that's coming in from Bournemouth. There goes a 323. And there goes 39122. Penny de Pendolino.
14 of the 1333 Northern service to Blackpool North. Calling at Manchester Oxford Road, Deansgate, Salford Crescent, Bolton, Lostock, Orange Parkway, Chorley, Buckshaw Parkway, Leyland, Preston, Kirkwood Weston, Bolton the Field, and Blackpool North. Platform 14 of the 1333 Northern service to Blackpool North.
Three to 3212 and 32318 again. Both ex-West Midlands train. Okay guys, 397011 is now leaving. Working the 1328 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport. And 3912 guys is working the 1335 to London Euston. Okay, come on, 397011. Did I go anyway? 397011. 1328 to Manchester Airport. And there goes the 1338 Northern Service to Crewe, we're by 51104. Hey, okay. Passing by now is going to be a DB Cargo UKCAS 66, going from Trafford Park Euro Terminal to London Gateway DB Cargo.
48 Sheffield.
4L56 is the code, yeah, 4L56. He's standing way too close. That guy. He's just standing behind the yellow line. That guy. It's gonna. It might blow the horn anyway. Yeah.
Crash on platform 13. Please remain behind the red line. They're passing pre-service.
That one was 66 to 155. That one 66 to 155. That's the first time I've seen that flight. That one got repainted because it used to be brown 66. And now that one now arriving. Sorry, it's 323 208. My new favorite number. This is an ex-West Midlands Trains coming in from, I believe, Crewe or coming in from Crewe. Let's just say it's coming in from Crewe. And yeah. And as I was recording, the flight came in was 158. Came in was 158 780 and 158 774. I seen it again, 774. And guys, just to let you know, when I was coming into Piccadilly, when I was walking, crossing the road to come into Piccadilly Station, I did see 158 773. I seen it going to Liverpool. So that one did pop up. Yeah. Yeah, one hotel. Huh? So far away. Yeah, so there it is. As you can tell, guys, there've been major delays here at Manchester Piccadilly. And 323 is leaving again. We're going to Crewe. That noise is good. 323 really slapping the rail. It's really slapping the rail. It's like it's having a fight with the rail. And there is 39126. That's going to be forming the 1355 service to London Euston. Okay, guys, there's more Transport for Wales trains for you guys. and it's going to be a class 197. Of course, it's going to be a 197, going from Manchester Airport to London now. I'll tell you a joke about this, guys, after. But for now, it is 197-043. So guys, the joke is, I said that it's definitely going to be a transfer for a class of 197. Imagine putting an 82 on a London service. That would be very strange. It would be very, very strange putting an 82 Mark 5 on a London service. Yeah, so of course it was going to be a class 197. And that's on its return, because we've seen that one come in before when it went to the airport. I think it did catch up now. It's catch up and it went back on time now because it was late before. Okay, right, now it's going to be a East Midlands train to Norwich, the 1343 service, and leading the way is 158854. And coming in is 195102, working the 1347 Northern service to Bowen Furness. It could do with a little bit of a clean. It could do with a little bit of a clean. You're on your return to 195102. Okay, it's gonna stop here. So the name on this one is the station volunteer on this one. So I'm gonna let this one go, and this one will be our final train of part 1. But we got 150 coming in. That's 323237, working the 1346 Northern service to Stoke-on-Trent. And 195102 is moving a bit more forward now. It's moving a bit more. Is going a bit more forward now because the Transport for Wales service that was there before. Guys, 390-119 is coming now, but this one is Disturb the Peace. 119 is coming. The Pride event is coming. Okay, look how it's gonna go this one. Okay, guys, I'm gonna record this one go, and after we can record the Pride. Come on, 854, get going. Okay, we're okay. 390-119. Progress. God, I don't know what was the actual hell was that noise on the Pride, bro. Progress on this one. This color scheme looks so good. And I see the Pride again. I like this color. Okay, anyways, this is gonna be the end of part 1. So I'm going to do 2 parts in this one. And here is 390 or 19. So I'll see you later, guys. Take care, guys. Goodbye. 323 229. My favorite 323 leading. So I'll see you later, guys. Take care, guys. Goodbye.